Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon with Taylor's Fine Smoke Cooking. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making something that's kind of had me in a chokehold ever since I've gotten it, and that's shrimp salsa. Now, I've made a video before what Sam's call it a shrimps.Avice. It's more like a shrimp salsa, and when I tell you this stuff is amazing, we've been going through a heat wave, and when it's super hot outside, you don't always want to heat up your kitchen and cook. Sometimes you just want something that's nice and fresh and delicious. Well, that's what this is, and that's what we're going to make. So here I have about a pound of pre-cooked, deveined, clean shrimp. You want to make sure that you do rinse and go back and make sure that it is completely clean before you start using it. Although it says it's clean, we know sometimes there's a little bit of remnants left, so you want to make sure that you wash those shrimp really, really good. I believe those are 16 to 24. I guess that's the number for the size. Red onion. Have one jalapeno. We have some Roma tomatoes and a vine ripened tomato. Just kind of use what you got. A couple of cucumbers. These are mini cucumbers just for a little bit of freshness and crunch. And then a garlic clove. And I also have a couple limes that we're going to be using. We'll season it up with some salt and pepper. But it's really, really simple. So I'm going to go ahead and get these veggies chopped up and then we'll assemble it. And I'll let you see what we have going on. So you guys stick around, guys. So we are back. Again, here's our shrimp. I've got about 3/4 of a cup of cucumber. I'm not the biggest fan of cucumber, but it does add a nice crunch and freshness to the salsa. Have about a 1/2 cup of red onion. You can use as little or as much as you like. I have 1 whole jalapeno with just a limited amount of seeds. About 5 cloves of garlic. Here are our limes. I wound up using about 4 tomatoes that I use this little chopper to chop it up. Now it's just time to assemble everything. Tomato, all of our fresh veggies. And I'll tell you, if you've never tried this and you love fresh shrimp and fresh food, you'll fall in love with this for sure. 2 limes here, you just want to roll out, try to activate that juice. All the lime juice we can get out of there. Now, you might be asking, well, if it's salsa, where's the cilantro? I don't like cilantro. You can add a little bit in here if you want, but when you add in that cucumber and that jalapeno and some of this other fresh stuff, kind of, you won't miss it. Now, I have salsa and it's got cilantro in it, I'll still eat it, but I'm just not a big fan, so. All right. Get all that lime juice. That lime juice, well, it adds the acidity quite naturally, but it kind of activates all the rest of the flavors out of this. Brings out enhances the flavor of the red onion and the cucumber and the tomato. All right. Now we want to go ahead on season it up. Now that's the one thing that they really don't do with the shrimp salsa at Sam's is season it. So every time I get it, I have to add salt and pepper to it. But it's so fresh and so good. It's worth it and it's not expensive. And the greatest thing of all, it's super healthy. I think it's like 50 calories for maybe a 1/2 cup or something like that, because you already know shrimp is low in calorie and high in protein anyway. So after you get everything added, you want to give it all a nice little stir. You can eat this, which I typically eat it with tortilla chips, but you can add some nice soft tortillas if you wanted to eat it that way. Or you can put it on a tostada and eat it that way. It's kind of versatile, but it's so good. Or you can just eat it with a fork, like in a salad or whatnot. It's kind of totally up to you. All right. So get a good look at that. Super fresh and delicious. Let's go ahead and let me taste it really quickly to see if you need to add any more salt and pepper or anything like that to it. Just a little more salt. A little more pepper. And we ready to roll, man. This stuff, woo! Fire. So there it is. Shrimp salsa. Fresh, delicious, and super healthy. You all make it some. All right, family, so that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let this thing sit up for a couple hours, bring it back out, get you some chips, and enjoy the rest of your day. So I love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. God bless.